A live look from our storm team, Skycam Network from the Valley Skycam here in South Fargo. You're pointed right toward downtown, and it's very difficult to see with those low clouds lingering. A few flakes of snow drifting through the skies as well as we head into the evening. Again, this soupy condition is really keeping those roads a little on the slippery side, so use caution out there driving. 18 degrees, now we're down a degree over the last hour. Cloudy skies, a south wind at 10 miles per hour, and it really warmed up out to the west today. Billings, Montana at 48 degrees. We saw 40s in southwest parts of North Dakota today, and yes, some of that air is going to work its way into our neck of the woods, and that really excites us as we head into the weekend. Satellite, much of the day showing up as clear, but that wasn't the case at all here in the valley. Eastern third of North Dakota into western Minnesota. We saw some soupy skies throughout the day. In fact, it's just now finally starting to show up on the infrared satellite out to the east, and we do have some reduced visibility out there, so keep that in mind if you're traveling this evening or late tonight where you see the dark clouds. But as we go through the early overnight, west winds take hold. We should see a clearing trend, even those low clouds, and if you're getting some flakes or drizzle, that should be clearing from west to east as well by 10 o'clock tonight. For many areas overnight, we'll see clearing, and temperatures usually dive when we get clear skies. This time we have a warm burp of air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere that's going to park itself right over eastern North Dakota, so your temperatures will actually go up towards daybreak. We'll start out with a little sunshine and temperatures that will be rising well into the 30s. The sun going to work at melting some of that snow on the ground, so we're not going to get super hot here, but a few locations will have a shot at seeing 40 degrees. Best chance of that, Sisseton Hills. And to our west along the international border, Hutch thinks that's where there is a warm core of air aloft that will be working its way over the region. All in all of us will enjoy milder weather. And with that melting that takes place tomorrow in the sunshiny skies, that low-level moisture in the evening, well, we could come back at us as a little bit of patchy fog. Keep that in mind for your Saturday night. But for now, I'll look at your hometown forecast. 32 Fargo, 33 in Thief River Falls, and a shot at 35 in Langdon tomorrow. Near 40 for Sisseton. We might see a near 40-degree reading out in parts of the eastern third of North Dakota as well. Lakes country, a lot of mid-30s across western and northwestern Minnesota. Now let's take a gander into next week. It looks very quiet for travel, although much cooler Monday, Tuesday, and Christmas Day itself, as we're expecting temperatures as we go through the early week to dip into the 20s. But we don't see a chance of snow until we get into the forecast period on Thursday morning, so late on the night of Christmas and into Thursday. Now, the American model shows quite a widespread area of snow. I don't think that this one is what we're going to see pan out. The European model has been a little bit more accurate with things this winter, and it's showing just a slight chance of some light snow in our area. That is why, well, we're leaving a chance of snow in there. We'll still have a chance at seeing some more of these. Sundogs uploaded by Anthony. Thanks so much for uploading your photo. Now taking a look at your planning forecast. First and foremost, on Sunday, we enjoy 35 degrees. Temperatures will be falling Sunday afternoon into the evening, though, with north winds returning, and our temperatures into next week slide back into the 20s. So travel-wise, it looks very quiet. Christmas Day, beautiful, and 20 degrees for a high temperature, and then there's that 30% chance of snow as we head into Thursday. For those of you traveling back from across the region, the best chance of accumulating snow looks to be south, but we could see a little here in the valley. Nothing too big the way it looks now.
No, keep it that way.
We'll try.
Thanks. Hey.